Mentionlytics video walkthrough. Come with me to learn how to use the filters bar. This one is found at the top of your overview page in your All Mentions section. We recommend you apply them here since you will have immediate access to the mentions review. Please make sure you have set your desired time frame. You can directly choose the channels here and this bar will expand. Or here, choose one or as many as you'd like. You can filter by category, relevance, normal is advised, sentiment, emotion, country, language, label, tags, if it's assigned to a user, or even if a setting has been previously created, you can filter by presets. Thanks for watching.